So this is exactly how I fixed Palworld lagging on my PlayStation 5. So firstly what I did is that I clicked on the PlayStation logo here on my controller and then I went to Home Settings here. And then I clicked on Settings on my PlayStation 5 and then what I did in here is that I just actually scrolled down to find Network here, so click on the Network Settings. Then click on Settings and then click on Set up Internet Connection. Now in here you're going to check for the Wi-Fi that you're connected to and then click on this button right here on your controller. Then click on Advanced Settings. Then you're gonna scroll down and DNS settings, change it from automatic to manual, and primary DNS should be 8.8.8.8. Secondary DNS is 8.8.4.4. Then click on OK in the bottom right corner. Then just wait for this right here to completely update here, as you can see the network settings. Now the last thing is that hover over Palworld here again, click on this button here and then close game and then re-enter Palworld once again. Hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.